Hi, today we are going to learn how to create a curated list of tweets by subject. CM Curated Twitter Aggregator is a powerful tool for importing, merging and displaying tweets from hashtags and user profiles on your WordPress site. You can aggregate multiple Twitter hashtag feeds into one list and filter the content by keywords. In this example use case video, we will consider how to create a curated list of tweets by specific subject, WordPress news and articles. You can apply the same idea to the topic of your site. In this video we will consider only the process of creating the curated list of tweets, but first of all, to make the plugin works, you need to connect the plugin to your Twitter account by providing API key and secret. Navigate to the developer platform by Twitter and follow their instructions to get API keys. Before starting, you can also configure the plugin according to your needs: the appearance of the curated list, what should be displayed, how filters should work, and some more options. Now we can start creating a curated list. The process of building starts from adding a new list. Navigate to Twitter Aggregator Pro, Lists. The process of creating a new list is really simple. On the left part of the screen you can see the form where you need to write a name and description, then click the button Add New List. You can also write a slug, but it can be generated automatically from the name. All lists that you create appear in the table on the right part of the screen. Now it's time to add categories to the list. Navigate to Twitter Aggregator Pro, Categories. A category aggregates a tweet source. It can be a user profile or hashtag. It can filter tweets by positive or negative keywords, and it can also remove old tweets based on their category expiration time settings. On the left part of the screen you can see the form where you need to fill the data. Here you need to input category name. Optionally you can write a slug. Choose a parent category if needed. It can be useful for creating a hierarchy. Write a description of the category. Input Twitter sources. It can be a profile name or hashtag. You can add multiple Twitter sources at once by separating them with comma or white space. Match keywords. Keywords determine if the tweet item should be added to the category. Exclusion keywords. These keywords have higher priority than match keywords. In case an exclusion keyword is found, the tweet taken from the source will not appear in the category. Tweets processing interval. The interval determines how often tweets are processing. If you have many categories and you define a very short processing interval, your server can get slower. Tweets presentation duration. Tweets older than this set period of minutes will be deleted. Set 0 to never delete any tweets. Lists. Select the list the category belongs to. The category can belong to many lists. If there are no lists, you need to create one. Color. Change the category background color from the default. When the category is created, the plugin starts aggregating relevant tweets. On the right part of the screen you can see the list of created categories that you can edit or delete. You can change the order of the categories in the list on the front end by dragging and dropping it in the list. You can view and manage all aggregated tweets by navigating to Twitter Aggregator Pro, Tweets. You can delete a single tweet or delete them in bulk. Once deleted, this tweet will not appear again in the category. One more possibility is to edit tweet, but only its tags. Along with categories and subcategories, tags are another way for users to organize tweets and add important information. To create and manage tags, navigate to Twitter Aggregator Pro, Tags. As usual, on the left part of the screen you can see the form for adding the data. You need just give the name for tag and choose the color. You can also write keywords in Match Keywords area, so the plugin will automatically assign tags to tweets using keywords. Then click the button Add New Tag. On the right part of the screen you can see the list of created tags that you can edit or delete. You can create a tag new and configure that every tweet would automatically have that tag for definite period of time, and the tag would disappear when that time passes. To do this, navigate to Twitter Aggregator Pro, Options. Choose that tag and choose the duration. Then click the button Save Changes. When we created lists and categories, we need to display the list on the front end. For that we need to put a shortcode CM Twitter Aggregator. This shortcode can be used with different attributes if you need to display not the whole curated list, but some definite lists, categories, or tweets related to some definite tags. So let's display the list main. You can see on the screen the example of the shortcode. Now let's look how it works on the front end. Following instructions found in the plugin and guides, you should be able to create a curated list of tweets by definite subject. Thanks for watching the video.